Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss. It is specifically on how to make money on Digistore24. If you are having a smartphone and internet and you are not making money online, that's because you don't know how everything works. If you are looking to generate some special income or start an online business, Digistore24 can be an excellent platform for you. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to get started and share some effective strategies to maximize your earning. So let's dive into it right away. Because you already know, here at this channel, we want to ensure that you are financially free. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of it, let's quickly introduce Digistore24 for those who may not be familiar with it. Digistore24 is an online marketable platform. It's an online marketplace that connects product creators with affiliates who promote and sell their products for a commission. It offers a wide range of digital products such as e-commerce, e-health and fitness, online courses, digital marketing and more. Now that you understand what Digistore is, let's explore how you can get started making money on Digistore24. First thing to do is to sign up as an affiliate. You visit the Digistore24 website and create a free account as an affiliate. Fill in your Digistore DT, agree to the terms and conditions, and you are good to go. And the next thing you do is to find a profitable product. How you do that? You browse through the marketplace that is within the Digistore24 to discover products that align with your interests and target audience. Look for quality products that has a strong sales records, positive customer review. 3. You request affiliate approval. Once you find a product you did like to kind of promote, you click on that product, access the vendor's page. You read through all those details and the commission that is expected or the commission structure, and if you are satisfied, you submit an affiliate request to the vendor. The fourth thing you do is you promote your affiliate link, which in this video you will see few links down in the description below. Once you are approved, you will receive a unique affiliate link. This link tracks the sales generated by your efforts. You share this link through various platforms, various channels, such as the YouTube, of which you can see various affiliate links, your website, your blog, your social media platform, or email marketing campaigns. This will enable you to make more money. Now that you've set up as Digistore24 affiliate, let's discuss some effective strategies that you should implement to maximize your earning. One of the strategies that I advise you to do is to select the right product. Remember, I told you, you choose a product that resonates with your target audience, your customer base, your channel, and you ensure the products you are promoting provide values and relevance to their needs or interest. That is one thing you remember. The next thing is you build a platform. You establish a strong online presence by creating a website or YouTube channel, a Facebook page, a blog, or various social media profile. This platform will serve as a hub. The platform will serve as a hub for your affiliate promotions and allow you to engage with your customers or your audience effectively. The third thing is content marketing. You create high quality content that educates, entertains, that solves problems for your audience. You incorporate your affiliate links within the content strategically. This approach builds trust and helps drive conversion rate. The next thing is email marketing. If you know how to build an email list of all your interested subscribers, you will do that, and then you regularly send them valuable content, wherein you will then attach links and product recommendations that will compel them to buy the product that you have. The next thing is your SEO optimization. Implement search engine optimization technique to rank higher in search. By so doing, you'll be making a lot of money. This will increase organic traffic to your channel, your platform, and whatever social media you are using, and ultimately drive more sales. By so doing, you will be making a lot of money. The next thing you will do is to pay advertisement. Consider investing in paid advertising platform like Google. You see Google ads, you pay for YouTube to promote it, your Facebook, all of those things. or keywords to research a wider audience that will help you increase the number of sales you'll be doing through your affiliate link. So lastly, it's crucial to track and analyze your performance on Digistore24. Identify what's working and what's not working. That is always crucial. But if you continue watching this video, you will see it in the next video.